Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Acon On Call A1c test kit. You can see this is HbA1c test kit from On Call. You can see this this is from On Call A1c. This is manufactured by Acon biotech company from China. You can see this here. This is certified product. You can see this. You can see the lot number, manufacturing and the expiry date. Okay, so this is how the kit looks like. Okay, let me open this. You can see this here. I can already show you. This is the reference part number. I want to show you the reference part number. Okay. And inside the box, you can see there is one IFE brochure actually, yeah. There is an IFE brochure, you can see this here. The on-call, it says that the On Call A1c test kit is used with the On Call A1c analyzer to quantitatively determine the hemoglobin A1c, HbA1c level, percentage or mmol in capillary or venous whole blood. The On Call A1c test kit includes the cartridges and reagent 1 and 2. They use boronate affinity assay to separate the glycated hemoglobin fraction from the non-glycated fraction. You can see this IFU has a complete details from the principles, precautions and storage, specimen collection, test procedure and how do you interpret the results. You have the complete details to complete your test. Let me put it here. Keep it here, and then you can see inside there is 2 packs. Let me see this here. You have you can see this here, On Call A1c pipette tips, 20 tips. You can see the tips here, On Call pipette tips. There are 2 packs, and okay, here you have this. You can see the pipette tips. Can keep it here. Okay. Then further, if you go inside, there is one ID chip. You can see there is an ID chip, and then ID chip, and then there is one more On Call HbA1c reagent R1, HbA1c reagent R1, reactive R1 HbA1c. You have those 20 vials per pouch, which is there. You can see this here. There is a lot number and also the expiry period is given. And further you go inside, there is one buffer. There is a buffer liquid. You can see this here. On Call A1c HbA1c reagent 2. So you got the reagent 1 year and the reagent 2 is in bottle actually. Yeah. Well, the lot number is given. Okay, keep it here. And then the cartridges. Then you have the cartridges here. Let me take 2 cartridges from this. Other side is plain. You can see. You can see On Call HbA1c test cartridge. Reference port number, lot number is mentioned. And then you have the other side of the pouch here. You got it. Okay. Okay, just quickly to summarize here, in this box of Acon On Call A1c test kit, which is used for the HbA1c test, you get one IFE brochure and the cartridges and pipette tips and one ID chip and reagent 2 solution and reagent 1 solution. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.
Now we are going to perform the test. For going for the test, there are 2 ways. One, you can go for standard mode and another you can go for quick mode. Now for going to standard mode or quick mode, please go to setting first. Once you go into the setting, you see the last button which is called operation. At this moment it is in the standard mode. Now let us perform the test in standard mode because we are continuously following the timing through the screen. Go back, go to the test menu. Okay. So take 5 microliter of blood and take out the R1 tube and pipette into R1 tube and then mix it. So you can observe what is happening. It is saying step 1, collect 5 microliter of blood sample, pipette it into R1 tube and then press enter to start. So now the countdown starts here. So you can see from 180 seconds it goes down. So wait for 3 minutes and reverse it for 5 to 10 times both at the beginning and the end of the incubation. So reverse it like this, the way I am doing. In the meantime, take out your pouch from where you can take out your On Call Plus A1c card. Tear the pouch and take out the card. So now once it is 30 seconds is pending, take the vial out and mix it 5 to 10 times once again. And as well, keep your 25 microliter pipette ready. Open it up, take your card out and then pipette 25 microliter. And immediately press it over here. Add 25 microliter mixture to the cartridge. And then take it out, pipette another tip and immediately add 25 microliter of R2. Now in step 4, it comes, you have to wait for 1 minute. Now once you are waiting, you can keep everything ready so that once this countdown is over, like say 46, 45, 44, 43, like this, once it is going towards the step 5, you have to enter this test device in the test device segment area, right? So be ready for doing the same. Now once the countdown is over, instrument will automatically push the procedure from step 4 to step 5 and it will give an indication that insert the test cartridges in the analyzer port. So within this time, please immediately insert the test cartridge in the analyzer port and instrument will analyze immediately during this time it gives you result. So you can see here results are coming 5.7% or 38.8 millimole per mole. Now if your printer is connected, you can take the print, or if you want to delete the result, you can delete. And now once the test protocol is over, press back button and go back to your main menu and keep the instrument in the same condition, and as the test is over, discard this card, and once the test is over, please take out the protective device and put inside the instrument for future use ready.